Hello my lovely students, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. In today's class, we learn about very important topic of math, that is HCF. First, we'll learn the full form of HCF. HCF, highest common, C for common factor. Right? And another name of HCF is GCD. What is the full form of GCD? Greatest Common Divisor. Greatest, G for greatest, common divisor. So from these two names or two full form, that is highest common factor HCF and another one is greatest common divisor or GCD. From these two names or two full form, we can clearly, it is visible to us that we have to find out the factors or divisor, and that should be common among 3 or 4 numbers or between 2 numbers, and that should be a greatest or highest number. HCF of different numbers. The first method, the name of the first method is listing common factor. Second method name is prime factorization, and the third one is long division method. So one by one we'll learn these three different type of methods. We start our discussion with the first method of HCF to find out the HCF, that is listing common factor method. Right? So I am taking one example for it that will be easy for you to understand this process or this method. So I am taking two numbers, that is 12 and 15. So we'll find out the HCF of 12 and 15. In our previous classes, we have already taught about the factors, right? So first, for 12, we need to find out all the factors. Means we have to list down all the factors of 12. So what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, right? I hope I have written all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 factors are there for 12. Now for 15. What are the factors of 15? We have to list down these all. 1, 3, 5 and 15. So we have listed down the factors of 12 and also the factors of 15. So from the name means HCF, what was it? Highest common factor. So we have to find out the factor that is common between these two listing factors, right? So see, from these two, 1 is common, 3 is common in between these two. So we have find out these two common factors. What are the common factors? 1 and 3, right? But what was the name of it? HCF, highest common factor. We have find out the common factor, but we have to find out the highest one or the greatest one. So which one is the greatest among them? 3 is the greatest among them. So 3 is the, you can say the HCF of 12 and 15. So the HCF of 12 and 15 is 3. This one is basic process. You can say this listing common factor method is basic one. You may be taught in your class when you are in 3, 4 or in 5 standard. The second one, that is prime factorization method, we'll talk about it. Second one is prime factorization method. So to understand this process, I am also taking another set of number 36 and 48. Right? So by prime factorization method, we have to find out the HCF of this set of number. Okay? So 36 and 48. Now we have to find out a number, particularly a prime number or prime factor that can divide this both 48. Both can be divisible by 3 and by 2 also. So I am taking, first I am taking 2, right? So 2 18s are 36 and 24 over here, right? So 18 and 24, both of these numbers can be divided by 2. 9 and 12. Now 9 and 12, both of these numbers divided by 3. So I am taking 3 for this. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, right? So see, these 3 and 4, this set of number, these are co-prime number. There is no common factor between these two numbers. So we have to stop our method over here, right? We can't continue this. So up to this portion means up to or until when we will find out this the set of cofactor, up to this one we have to continue our process. So this one we have to take this number only. We can't take this one. This set of number we can't take, right? In case of LCM, in our next class we will learn about it, this one LCM. Then we can take, but for HCF we have to take only this standing set of numbers. So the HCF of 36 and 48 would be 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4 means 12 will be our HCF of 36 and 48. I hope all of you understood up to this portion or these two methods that we have discussed till now, prime factorization method and listing down the factors method. So now I'll discuss about the last process or last method of HCF, that is long division method, right? So I have taken 3 different numbers for this process. So first you have to choose which one is the smallest among them. So 20 is the smallest among them. So I am taking 20 for it and 35 right over here. The next number, right? So this one 20 considered as the divisor and 35 considered as the dividend over here, right? So 20 ones are 20. Same with the division method. What is the remainder over here? 15. We can't continue this, right? So that time what we need to do, listen to me carefully. This one, this remainder, this one is remainder. Now this remainder considered as the or act as the divisor and the previous divisor now comes here and act as a dividend, right? So 15 ones are 15. Now what is the remainder over here? 5. That is the remainder. We can't continue this process. So what do we need to do that time? The 5, now the 5 would be act as a divisor and the previous one means the previous divisor now act as a dividend. 15. 3 5s are 15. So what we are getting from here? The last remainder or the last divisor. What was the last divisor over here? That is the 5, right? So 5 we have to, this one HCF of these 3 numbers should be 5. We have already taken or uses these two numbers 20 and 35, but we have till now we don't use this one 50. So now 5, that is HCF or the last divisor. Now we have to divide this. 5 tens are 50, right? So this one will be our answer. So HCF of these 3 numbers is 5. 5 will be your answer. So students, in our today's class, we have already taught these 3 different methods that we generally use. Basically, we uses this one, long division method and prime factorization method. Maximum students uses these 2 methods. And in our next class, we will discuss about the short trick for HCF. Those were appearing for the different type of competitive exams, that should be a very beneficial class for them, right? So bye. That is for today. See you in the next class, students. Tata.